Hi, so now I have this Maxtech M266 series digital claim meter with the display of 1999 counts. Now I will open it and we will see the accessories which comes with the meter. And the pouch comes with the instruments, which is too good. It is easy to carry the claim meter, and here all the accessories with main unit comes with test lead of red and black color, 1-piece 9-volt battery, 1-piece manual, and also the carrying pouch. So now we will put the battery, and to put the battery we need to open the battery compartment screw, which is back side of the meter. So I will take a screwdriver and will remove the screw and put the battery inside. So let's open it. So I have connected the 9-volt battery, putting in the battery compartment. I will fix it again with the help of a screwdriver. So it is also good for the battery safety. Yes, it's completed. Now I will turn it on. Yes, it's working fine, and display is also a big, so digits looks very clear. And here we comes at the function. It is having 1000 ampere range of AC current with plus minus 2% accuracy. And the second one is AC voltage up to 750 volt with accuracy of plus minus 1%, which is too good. And the third one is DC volt range. We can measure up to 1000 volt of DC, and its accuracy is plus minus 0.8%. So next function is continuity and also 200 ohms resistance range. So we can measure the continuity on this range and also 200 ohms resistor. And next one is also resistor range 20 kilo ohms. So we can measure up to 20 kilo ohms resistor value on this range. And the clamp has a 51 mm clamp jaw opening size. So up to 51 mm we can use this clamp. Now we will check the test lead provided with this instrument. It looks nice, red and black color, and the load is 1000 volt maximum, means 1 kV. So the probes are also good. So I will remove the caps from this test lead, and we'll know that how to connect the test lead in the terminals to check all the features like voltage, resistance, continuity. So I have removed all the caps from the probe, and here is 3 jack EXT COM, that means common, and the last one is V voltage. So we will connect the probe in common and V jack. Common black color and voltage red color. So for this connection we can measure AC DC voltage, resistance, and continuity. For all the 4 functions we just need to use this terminal with test lead 1 2 3 4, right? So through this, and for the current, when we need to measure the ampere, make sure that all the probes should be removed from the clamp meter, because there is no need for the test lead. Okay, so like this we can check and measure the current, voltage, continuity. Thanks for watching. Thank you.